This is a Oliver 797-32, serial number 179689, half horsepower, single phase, 60 hertz, manufacturer D08, 115 volt, 7 amps. Bread slicer. We are calling this one number 4. This has the ProGuard slicer on it. This is a half-inch bread slicer, by the way. 32 blades, I think, is what it was. So it's got this guard on it, and when the guard's down, like it is now, it's got that safety lock. Works fine. But as soon as you lift the guard up, the machine shuts off. And then it's got this, I don't know if you can see that. You see the adjustable size of the bread. And then it's got this piece that pushes the bread through, or the loaves through to get sliced. And then this piece goes down. And that's the unit. Pull the drawer up. There's an end you never want to see. Nice little unit. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm really just remaking this video because the old one wasn't such a good video. And that's it.